Dawn here again with another leadership video from ibizresources.com. Effective business leaders know their current future success depends on their ability to consistently make better business decisions. The internet offers us the opportunity to easily research the decisions we make in advance, whether we are considering products or services from around town or around the world. We hope these videos help you achieve long-term success and make a positive impact on your profitability. By the way, we're using a voice recognition robot for this presentation. After listening, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay, let's get started.
While drywall prices may seem off-putting to homeowners who are looking to add or remodel, when you consider the advantages of this common building material, you'll realize that the cost is well worth it. In fact, you'd be hard-pressed to find an alternative that is more cost-efficient and easier to use. Simply put, there is just no better choice out there, especially for homeowners on a budget. Before its introduction in 1916, the main alternative to drywall was lath and plaster. In fact, it took quite a while for the use of drywall in building and home remodeling to fully catch on. But once it did, there was no looking back. That's because drywall is so much easier to use and so much less labor-intensive. And in the long run, it is also much more affordable. In fact, drywall installation prices are far less than those of any other construction method. Not only is the drywall itself reasonably priced, the labor costs for drywall construction are much cheaper, and as anyone who has ever built or remodeled a home knows, the greatest percentage of costs is in labor. That's why so many people opt to do it themselves, and drywall offers even more advantages on this count. Because it's so commonly used now, most buildings are constructed with drywall in mind, with studs placed to accommodate the standard size of drywall sheets. This means that drywall can be installed with a minimal amount of time and effort. Compare that to the old lath and plaster, which included wire netting and sometimes several layers of plaster, and you can begin to see the difference it would make in your home remodeling. Drywall also has the advantage of added stability. And it is asbestos-free and fire-resistant, making it much healthier and safer for you and your family. Asbestos remains one of the biggest health detriments, causing a range of lung ailments, which is why building codes were revised to ensure that all structures are asbestos-free. For the do-it-yourselfer, drywall is the fastest, easiest and most cost-efficient way to go. Drywall prices are fairly standard, and you can usually get what you need locally, without having to break the bank.
Thanks for investing your valuable time with us here today. Business leaders and consumers alike know that when they make better decisions, they get better results. The internet offers each of us the ability to get the information we need quickly and easily, helping us locate products, services, and opportunities around the country or around town. We want to help you succeed long-term through our video series. Visit our website by clicking the link in the description area below to learn more. Until next time, all the best.